Hi again, it's Lee from Eden Prairie. I've got a story today called Perfect Square by Michael Hall. Today we're going to talk about shapes. So to start, we're going to read this book, Perfect Square, and then we're going to do a little rhyme and make some shapes together with our magic pencils, aka our fingers. Let's start with our story, Perfect Square by Michael Hall. It was a perfect square. It had 4 matching corners and 4 equal sides. And what color was the square? Red. Nice, beautiful red square with 4 corners. We can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 equal sides. And it was perfectly happy. Look at how it smiles. It's a very happy square. But on Monday, the square was cut into pieces and poked full of holes. It wasn't perfectly square anymore. Yeah, look at it. Has some holes in it and different cuts. It doesn't have any equal sides anymore, does it? Kind of is orange too. So it made itself into a beautiful fountain that babbled and giggled and clapped. So it made itself into a fountain. It rearranged all of its pieces into something that looks beautiful again. What do you think will happen next on Tuesday? On Tuesday, the square was torn into scraps. Uh-oh. And what color was it torn, where the scraps torn into? Yellow, right. Beautiful yellow scraps. What do you think it will do with that? So it made itself into a garden. It made its ripped yellow scraps into some beautiful yellow flowers. What's going to happen on Wednesday? Oh, look. What's the color of that? Yeah, it's a beautiful color, green. On Wednesday, the square was shredded into strips. Strips of green. So it made itself into a park. Look at what it did to its strips. Different colors of green make it look like someone is flying a kite in a beautiful, beautiful park. On Thursday, the square was shattered. Looks like a window that was broken. And what color window? It's looking out kind of blue-green. So it made itself into a bridge. Wow. I couldn't have imagined that it would do that. Now what day is next? It was Thursday, so it's Friday. On Friday, the square was snipped into ribbons, dark blue ribbons. What do you think the ribbons are going to become? So it made itself into a river. The little ribbon cuts make it look kind of like little waves and has some fish jumping out of it. And on Saturday, the square was crumpled and ripped and wrinkled, and now it's purple. Let's see what happens with the purple. It made itself into a mountain. The 2 corners became the peak of the mountain up in the clouds. On Sunday, the square waited to see what was next. It waited and waited, but nothing happened. It just stayed a beautiful red square. Do you think it's perfectly happy again to be a square? Uh-oh, look at that. Is that a smile? Doesn't look like a smile. Its 4 equal sides felt confining. Its 4 matching corners were rigid and cramped. It felt like maybe it was kind of trapped. So it made itself into a window. Look at the window. And how many colors do you see in the window? Can you name a few? I see purple and orange and blue and green, all the colors of the rainbow. The window looked out on a mountain that gave birth to a river that was crossed by a bridge that led to a park that was home to a garden that had at its center a fountain. All the different things that the square made itself into. That babbled and giggled and clapped. And there's the fountain again. You can see the children playing by the beautiful, bubbling, clapping fountain. The end. Yep, the end. So I hope you enjoyed that story and it inspires you. You can do so many things with just some colors and a piece of paper and make a babbling brook or a mountain, anything like you can imagine. So now we're gonna do a song about some shapes, and it goes like this. A circle is a shape that goes round and round, round and round, round and round. A circle is a shape that goes round and round, round and round. And you can use your magic pencil, remember, to make the shapes as we sing it. So we'll do each one twice. A circle is a shape that goes round and round, round and round, round and round. A circle is a shape that goes round and round, round and round. Now we're gonna do a triangle. A triangle is a shape with three sides, with three sides, with three sides. A triangle is a shape with three sides, with three sides. Very nice. A triangle is a shape with three sides, with three sides, with three sides. A triangle is a shape with three sides, with three sides. And finally, we're gonna do a square. Can you draw your square like that? Right. A square is a shape that has four sides, four sides, four sides. A square is a shape with four sides, with four sides. Very nice. One more time. A square is a shape with four sides, with four sides, with four sides. A square is a shape with four sides, with four sides. Very nice job, everyone, and I hope to see you again for another wonderful story like this one next time. Bye!